Hello kids, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna draw a beautiful unicorn. So here you go. Firstly we have to draw its head with face like this. Now I'm making its beautiful crest and a big eye. Big black eye. Here's ear, and one more should be behind. Let's complete her crest. It's a creative design. You can do anything. You can do any shape you like. And here's its nostril. And finally, a big horn. Some stripes here. And our drawing is done. Now let's color it. Pink is the major color that I will fill all his crest with pink. This unicorn has sharp pink crest. Okay, all the crest filled with pink, and then using the purple color for its nose. Perfect. Blue for its colorful horn, and now sky blue. Orange. Pink again, and a bit of yellow. Just 8 years left. I will fill the bar of its ears with dark green. Oh my gosh! Exactly a beautiful unicorn. Thank you so much for watching the video.